This video is for all the professionals working on the profile of contractors and supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations and are willing to migrate to or work in Canada. It will provide you an in-depth knowledge about the National Occupational Classification Code of Contractors and Supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations. So, let's start the video.
Hi, I am Lily and welcome to our channel A to Z Immigration Updates. We make informational and latest news videos regarding global immigration. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get the most updated immigration news and information. In Canada, every skill profile has a unique code that is called National Occupational Classification Code or NOC Code. This code tells us about the detailed information associated with a profile and regarding the key parameters like profile description or profile lead statements, key responsibility area and AMP, main job duties, employment requirements, alternative and illustrative job titles in exclusion. So, first of all, let's see the NOC code and its description for the profile of this video.
The National Occupation Classification Code or NOC Code for the profile of contractors and supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations is 7201. As per Statistics Canada, the profile description of contractors and supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations is as follows. This unit group includes sheet metal, ironwork, welding and boilermaking trade contractors who own and operate their own business. This group also includes supervisors who supervise and coordinate the activities of workers classified in the following unit groups: machinists and machining and tooling inspectors, 7231, tool and die makers, 7232, sheet metal workers, 7233, boilermakers, 7234, structural metal and plate work fabricators and fitters, 7235, ironworkers, 7236, welders and related machine operators, 7237, and machining tool operators, 9417. They are employed by structural, plate work, and related metal products fabrication, manufacturing and erecting companies and machine shops.
Key responsibility area. Human Resources and Skill Development Canada has defined a proper set of job roles for every NOC code. There is not any fixed guideline for meeting all the requirements. As per the recommendation of experts, a person should meet at least 50% of the job responsibilities mentioned in the NOC code. Now let's discuss the key job responsibilities associated with your profile. So, here we go.
Main job duties of an contractors and supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations are as follows. Supervise, coordinate and schedule the activities of workers who shape, form and join metal parts or products to specified dimensions, machine metal into parts, products, tools, and dies or molds with precise measurements and erect light and heavy metal products and structures. Establish methods to meet work schedules and coordinate work activities with other departments. Requisition materials and supplies. Resolve work problems and recommend work measures to improve productivity. Train or arrange for training of workers. Recommend personnel actions such as hirings and promotions. Ensure standards for safe working conditions are observed. Prepare production and other reports. Set up machines and equipment and write programs for computer numerically controlled, CNC, machine tools. May manage the operations of their own companies. May also supervise, coordinate and schedule the activities of related apprentices, machine operators, helpers and laborers.
Employment requirements and other additional information. In this section we will discuss the employment requirements for your profile. Every job has a specific set of employment requirements associated with it.
The main employment requirements factors includes 1. Type and level of formal education.
2. Specific training or apprenticeship. 3. Experience in the same or other related occupations. 4. Licenses, certification and registration to practice in a regulated profession, extra. Before moving further, let's understand the employment eligibility requirements and other additional information associated with your profile.
Following are employment requirements for the profile of contractors and supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations. Completion of secondary school is usually required. Several years of experience as a qualified machinist or tool and die maker are required. Journeyman/woman trade certification in machining, tool and die making or in another related metalworking trade is required.
Illustrative job titles and exclusions. Every job role or employment can have multiple profile titles.
So if you are not able to find the exact job title for your profile, then you need not to worry. Now we will see the list of illustrative and alternative titles for your profile. This section is a list of titles commonly used in the labor market. We will also see the exclusions list, that is the list of titles that cannot be covered under your profile. So let's have a glimpse of it.
Illustrative titles for the profile of contractors and supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations are as follows. Automotive machine shop foreman/woman. Blacksmith foreman/woman. Boilermaker foreman/woman. Boilermaker supervisor. The list is quite large, so, if you want to read all the alternative profile titles, then you can pause this video and can have a proper glimpse. Now let's see the exclusion list. CAD/CAM and CNC/CMM programmers, C2233 industrial engineering and manufacturing technologists and technicians. Supervisors, motor vehicle assembling, C9221 supervisors, motor vehicle assembling. Supervisors, other mechanical and metal products manufacturing, C9226 supervisors, other mechanical and metal products manufacturing. So, this was all about the profile of contractors and supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations with NOC Code 7201.
We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited helps you to migrate to Canada on work permit or on PR. Our motive is to convert your immigration dreams into reality. We assist you in Canadian-style resume and cover letter preparation, mapping the best employment opportunities with your skill set, employment consultation and job search, online skill profile preparation and branding, education credential assessment filing Canada, migration skill assessment filing Australia, expression of interest EOI filing, LMIA, work visa, PR, business visa filing. If you need any further information, then you can contact our team of expert registered migration and employment consultants. Our team will help you to explore the employment, work visa and other immigration opportunities for your profile in Canada and Australia. Click on the booking link mentioned in the description to reserve an expert session for a detailed discussion to explore your immigration opportunities. We also assist employers to file LMIA with Employment and Social Development Canada (ESDC). So if you are an employer in Canada, we can help you to get the best manpower for your company. Canadian immigration is a merit-based immigration process and your selection under most of the immigration programs depends upon your age, education, experience, English language capability, spouse's educations and experience, employment availability through LMIA, provincial nomination extra. We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited provide a one-stop online platform with all kind of immigration services for our global customers. You can have online consultancy sessions, assessment application filing and all kind of visa processing assistance by our team of experts. If you want to do a self-assessment and check your eligibility for immigration, then click on the link attached in the description and download our app to do your immigration assessment yourself. Also watch our other videos related to work visa filing and finding a job in Canada from your home country. So, if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the most updated information regarding global immigration. Thanks, and we will meet again with another informative video soon.